technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
On this very occasion, today is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has crossed yet another milestone in his landmark-filled journey as a Jan Sevak, as a Pradhan Sevak. He turns 75 today. Wishes that has been pouring in for the leader who was once a Chaiwala went on to become the Prime Minister of the world's largest democracy, a journey that has been marked with dedication to serve the people and the nation. Now, on the occasion of his 71st birth anniversary, the sense of seva remains the heart of the celebrations. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi later would be visiting the state of Madhya Pradesh today, where he is expected to launch the largest ever health outreach for women and children in the country. Prime Minister will be launching two campaigns, which is the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar and the 8th Rashtriya Poshan Ma around noon. He will also lay the foundation stone of several other initiatives and will address the gathering on the occasion. And as part of the campaign, which will be organized from the 17th of September till the 2nd of October, over 1 lakh health camps would be set up in government facilities across the country. And the Prime Minister will also be launching the Adi Seva Parv for Madhya Pradesh, a series of service that is oriented activities that will focus on tribal regions. Let's get on a word from Tetri, who's connected with us. Tetri, good morning. Did you manage to get reactions from the Chief Minister herself in the national capital itself, where we are looking at BJP launching Seva Pakhwadas? This is a fortnight of events that are being launched across the country to mark the Prime Minister's birthday.
Well, absolutely. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta wished Prime Minister a very happy birthday. Apart from that, she herself donated the blood, and now she is carrying the Seva Sankalp walk, and in fact at regular intervals these kind of celebrations could be seen. You can see people dancing, singing, celebrating Prime Minister's birthday, and also that's the Seva Sankalp walk that you can see in your pictures, where the work that's being done by the BJP, by the Prime Minister Modi, is being displayed over here. Show this, Tanveer, that's the GST we talk about. Next gen GST, ab kharche honge halke, smile hogi bright. On my right hand side you see Yamuna Safai ka mission shuru. If you go ahead, then you see Operation Sindoor, Atank ko muh tod jawab. So these kind of pictures are all displayed by here by the Delhi government for the kind of work the Prime Minister has done. But also let us speak about the colourful visuals and the celebration that we are witnessing over here at the India Gate, where people are celebrating. We'll also speak to them. प्रधानमंत्री का जन्मदिन है, कैसे मना रहे हैं आप, कैसे देखते हैं उन्हें?
बहुत हर्षोल्लास के साथ मना रहे हैं मोदी जी का जन्मदिन। हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का आज जन्मदिन है। उनके जन्मदिन को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं से आज पूरे भारत के अंदर उनका जश्न मनाया जा रहा है।
क्यों खास है प्रधानमंत्री मोदी आपके लिए, क्या काम उनका पसंद है?
बस ये दिल्ली उसके लिए कर रहे हैं, पूरे भारतवर्ष के लिए कर रहे हैं, विदेशों में भारत का नाम हो रहा है उसकी वजह से।
So that's the people who are celebrating the Prime Minister's birthday. We'll also speak to some of the female women over here who are participating. प्रधानमंत्री मोदी का जन्मदिन मनाने आए हैं, क्यों पसंद करते हैं उन्हें आप?
अच्छे काम करते हैं इसलिए बस।
महिलाओं के लिए काम किया है उन्होंने?
अच्छे काम करते हैं, वे बहुत अच्छे काम करते हैं।
तो लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री हैं, क्यों पसंद करते हैं? हाँ जी बताइए।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, जन्मदिन उसका।
जी बताइए।
हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छे कार्य भी कर रहे हैं ना, और महिलाओं के लिए तो वैसे भी बहुत अच्छे ये बीजेपी सरकार है। और
लगता है महिलाओं के लिए काम हुआ?
बिल्कुल क्यों, बिल्कुल हुआ है और करते हैं। और ये भी रेखा गुप्ता भी मैम अच्छी हैं कि आए हुए, अभी देखो अभी एमसीडी में हम लोग हैं, अभी उन्होंने ऐलान भी कर दिया कि अभी सबको हम रेगुलर कर देंगे।
मतलब आप खुश हैं उनके?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
All right, so these are people over here who have come to participate in the Seva Sankalp walk. I will also show you on my right hand side how the cutouts of Prime Minister
Tetri is there at Kartavya Path in the national capital. As you can see, several campaigns, initiatives that has been undertaken by the government of India, by the government of the national capital rather, when we are looking at these campaigns like blood donation and other campaigns that have been initiated as far as when it comes to the work that is now being done. This is the Seva Pakhwada, the events that have been marking on the occasion of the Prime Minister's birthday. A series of other leaders as well who have been extending the birthday wishes to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As we get you the reactions and the birthday wishes that has been extended by multiple leaders across all party lines there, we also talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who turns 75 today, exploring how he has transformed his birthday celebrations into showcasing a public service welfare initiatives and reflecting his commitment to the nation rather than personal festivities. As Prime Minister in the past as well has spent his birthday interacting with citizens, launching welfare welfare schemes, or even participating in public service initiatives. So those are, when we speak of the initiatives that has been taking place, this year he's going to be in Madhya Pradesh, as we said. In 2024, he interacted with the beneficiaries of the PM AU, which is, he also launched projects worth over 3,800 crores in Odisha. Thereafter, we are looking at several other projects. Let's focus on 2023. He announced the PM Vishwakarma Yojana. Then in 2022, iconic pictures, if you remember, 8 of those cheetahs that were released in MP's Kuno National Park, which he himself visited later. And 2029, it was the peak of COVID, where nearly 2.26 COVID vaccines that were administered on the occasion of his birthday. Now, as born as Narendra Damodar Das Modi on the 17th of September in 1950 in a small town there in Gujarat, Narendra Modi has served as the state's chief minister for 3 consecutive terms and is now the prime minister for the 3rd time since 2014. Let's now listen in to some of the other ministers and leaders within his cabinet who are now reflecting on their experiences working closely with the prime minister himself.
एक सज्जन बाहर रोड पे खड़े थे और ये बहुत सारे लोगों को शायद गुजरात में पता है। पत्नी बीमार हो गई थी तो अहमदाबाद में सिविल हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती हुई थी और उस व्यक्ति के पास पैसे नहीं थे। तो मुझे याद है नरेंद्र भाई ने कहा था कि मैं पैसे दे दूंगा, चिंता नहीं करो। शायद नरेंद्र भाई भूल भी गए थे कि ऐसा सब उन्होंने किसी की मदद की थी। तो वो जब उस दक्षिण भारतीय प्रदेश में किसी पार्टी कैंपेन के लिए गए थे तो उस सज्जन ने छोटे छोटे पोस्टर लगाए थे कि कोई मुझे नरेंद्र मोदी से मिलवाने ले जाओ। उन्होंने मेरी मदद की, मेरे पैसे बकाए, तो उन्होंने सम्मान दिया।
So multiple leaders, they're sharing their personal accounts on having their experience with working with Prime Minister Narendra Modi very closely, and they're extending their birthday greetings to him as well. Meenakshi, over to you.
Yes, so let's take our viewers to what, the top leaders are saying, how Prime Minister Modi is responding. It's the President of India, first of all, wishing the Prime Minister on his birthday. And that is the Prime Minister's handle, thanking the Rashtrapati ji or the President of India. Then Amit Shah, what did he say? He says, and I quote him verbatim, मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत के वैश्विक आकांक्षाओं का केंद्र बना है। अंतरिक्ष में चांद के धरणी ध्रुव से लेकर द्वारका में समुद्र की गहराई तक उन्होंने विरासत और विज्ञान दोनों को गौरव दिलाया है। उनके नेतृत्व में आज भारत स्पेस सेक्टर में नए कीर्तिमान बना रहा है। मोदी जी एक ऐसे भारत का निर्माण कर रहे हैं जो हर क्षेत्र में स्वावलंबी है। एंड देन ही विश्ड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर। वी ऑल्सो हैव जेपी नड्डा. He has also wished the Prime Minister on his birthday with this poster. Obviously, this is a wish from the entire BJP cadre. Pawan Kalyan has also wished the Honorable Prime Minister. He says Narendra Modi talks about his quote-unquote remarkable journey, talks about a leader, I'm going to quote him verbatim, the story of a leader who rose from humble beginnings through unwavering discipline and commitment to become the guiding force for our great nation. Finally, we also have a very interesting tweet. Rajnikant also wishing the Prime Minister. Rajnikant, what does he say? So again, from leaders to celeb, everyone wishing the Prime Minister, to the most respected Honorable Prime Minister, heartfelt wishes on your birthday, wishing you a long life, good health, peace and everlasting strength to our beloved nation. Jai Hind.
All right, so ministers, leaders, cabinet ministers, leaders from the allies, global leaders who all are extending their birthday greetings to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let's put out more reactions.
मैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को उनके 75वें जन्मदिवस पर बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपका जीवन हम सब के लिए प्रेरणादायक है और आपके नेतृत्व में जो हिंदुस्तान ने नई ऊंचाइयां छुई हैं वो अपने आप में दुनिया उसकी चर्चा करती है। उनमें से एक कार्यक्रम पर मैं भी चर्चा करना चाहूंगा, जैम ट्रिनिटी की जनधन आधार मोबाइल। आधार से आपने नई पहचान, एक पहचान जो पूरे देशवासियों को दी। 100 करोड़ से ज्यादा लोगों के पास आज अपना आधार कार्ड है। जनधन खाते आपने खुलवाकर गरीब से गरीब व्यक्ति को भी देश की अर्थव्यवस्था के साथ जोड़ा। मोबाइल डेटा आज दुनिया का सबसे सस्तों में से एक भारत के लोगों के पास है। इससे हमें डिजिटल इंडिया पर बहुत बल मिला है। ये सब संभव तब हो पाया जब आपकी दूरदृष्टि के कारण जनधन आधार मोबाइल, जैम ट्रिनिटी, ये हम कहें त्रिदेव है, इनके माध्यम से गरीब का उत्थान भी हुआ, व्यापारी का भी हुआ, महिला का भी हुआ, मजदूर का भी हुआ। कुल मिलाकर ये आपकी दूरदर्शी सोच थी जिसने जैम ट्रिनिटी के माध्यम से देश को और प्रगति और देश के लोगों को और कमाई और रोजगार के अवसर दिए हैं।
Well, wishes that has been continuously pouring in for the Prime Minister. Even Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi has also extended his wishes to the Prime Minister, wishing him a happy birthday and good health. But mainly when we speak of this phone conversation that has now happened is between the US President Donald Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Mr. Trigoniath is connected with us. Good morning to you. Was this, you believe, the perfect occasion, rather on the Prime Minister's birthday, that the two leaders actually had a phone conversation?
Yes, I think so. And firstly, let us wish Prime Minister Modi very good health and a long life and leadership. I think that what President Trump has done is he has always maintained and always said that Prime Minister Modi is his great friend, and he has always eulogized about him. But at the same time, he has been fickle-minded, as we know, whatever. But this is a good step for and he has been tweeting in the recent past, as you must have seen, on India, and Prime Minister also reciprocated about the good state of relationship or the importance of the relationship. So I hope that he has changed his heart now as far as India is concerned. If that happens, that's a good thing for us. It's an important relationship India is invested in. We had shown our own strategic patience in this regard. But let's hope how it goes. But I'm very happy that he has taken the trouble of calling Prime Minister Modi and wishing him good health and long life and a happy birthday. Yes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Trigoniath. Appreciate your point of view. Of course, that has been one thing that has been consistent with President Trump as far as his praise for his friend Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now he is also as far as acknowledged when it comes to the efforts that have been made on part of India with regards to the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. But there are several others as far as, Prime Minister and multiple of his statements that have marked as far as his era in politics is concerned, whether he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat or 3 consecutive terms that he is now serving as the Prime Minister of India currently. Let's play out certain excerpts or vignettes from his past statements that he has made.
मोदी साहब, सोहराबुद्दीन का आपने मुद्दा उठाया. You raised the issue of Sohrabuddin, but you also talk about Gujarati pride. How can you justify an encounter of Sohrabuddin in the land of Gujarat?
सवाल ये है कि सोहराबुद्दीन के विषय को लेकर के पिछले 6 महीने से दुनिया भर के आरोप मुझ पे लगाए गए हैं और मैं लगातार मौन रहा हूं. सोनिया बहन खुद मुझे मौत का सौदागर कहती हैं, तो मुझे उनको समझाना पड़ता है कि सत्य क्या है. और जहां तक एनकाउंटर का सवाल है, हिंदुस्तान में एनकाउंटर पर कोई विवाद नहीं है. विवाद है वो जो फेक एनकाउंटर पे है, और मैं भी फेक एनकाउंटर का विरोधी रहा हूं, आज भी विरोधी हूं, कल भी विरोधी रहूंगा.
Mr. Modi, in Sonia Gandhi's rallies, she has referred to you, even when you talk about the statement on मौत के सौदागर, उन्होंने एक जनरल स्टेटमेंट कहा है, लेकिन आप अपनी हर सभा में सोनिया गांधी को नाम से और गांधी परिवार को खासकर टारगेट करते हैं. इसकी कोई खास वजह?
मैंने सोनिया जी के खिलाफ एक शब्द नहीं बोला है. मैंने गांधी परिवार के लिए एक शब्द नहीं बोला है. उन्होंने भाषण किया, उनका नाम देना भी गुनाह है क्या? अगर वो गुनाह है तो आप लोग तय करें, मैं वो भी बोलना बंद करूंगा. उनको मैंने कोई आरोप लगाया है क्या? उनके खिलाफ एक शब्द बोला हूं क्या? उन्होंने जो कहा है उनके नाम से उल्लेख करके बोलना, ये भी अगर लोकतंत्र में मेरा अधिकार छीन लेना चाहते हो आप लोग, तो आपको मुबारक है.
Thank you very much, Mr. Modi, for giving us time on a busy day. That was Narendra Modi, and this is Navika Kumar on board the Rath with Chief Minister Narendra Modi in Gujarat.
Well, as we said, birthday wishes are pouring in for the Prime Minister as we speak of global leaders and prominent personalities as well. Leaders and dignitaries are sending their greetings and messages of goodwill.
It is a great pleasure to wish Prime Minister Modi a happy 75th birthday. In these uncertain times, we all need good friends, and Modi ji has always been a good friend to me and to Britain. I'm delighted to see UK-India ties going from strength to strength. I know we both enjoyed the recent England-India Test series, a reminder of how many things our two countries share. As someone from a British-Indian family, this relationship will always have a special place in my heart. I'll always remember fondly travelling to India as Prime Minister for the G20 in 2023 with Akshata. It was a superb event, befitting India's standing on the world stage. So Modi ji, I wish you all the very best for your birthday and look forward to seeing you soon.
Prime Minister Modi, my best wishes to you on your 75th birthday. I wish you good health and continued strength as you lead India's fantastic progress and contribute to global development. The Gates Foundation values our partnership with the Government of India immensely. Together, we are supporting progress towards Viksit Bharat and sharing lessons and innovations for the countries in the global south. Once again, my warmest wishes to you on this milestone occasion.